And yes, today I explain कि what type and what is I learn this day. And first of all, and today one company came is a ONGC. First of all, ONGC came and based on the criteria CGP, everything I selected for this company and for interview purpose. Yes, and this interview before this company is a very public sector company, oil and natural gas corporated. This company first of all conducted a separate type of in a GD is called a group discussion, and some people some people around 5 and 6 around 7 and 8 according to this company employer, according to interviewer, just dividing into 5 and 6 person in the group, and this then in interviewer ask give me all the group in one topic. In it's called is a one topic is give me maybe you are thinking all the people things in company rule regulation. For example, ONGC Mehsana is a big plant, you know. Yes, in case of in one tank is a blast, one tank is a fire. So what you do? Started. Yes, first of all, me is first, sir. If I posted this area, in case of fire in tank, so first step in make in apply to form in depend on the which type of liquid. Yes, choose me liquid in the petrol. So is the first of all I in the solution in the 3% of form, and then apply to form to control in fire, and if and some in tanker is nearby, in install the fix form system. In if you already installed fixed form system, then charge it, and then this, and also I use in the form system form, and what type of function mostly use AFFF, and why we use AFFF. So using AFFF and ARFFF also use in that type of file, that type of fire under all the tanker is fully is affected in the in and also apply the water, also apply water in the for cooling, also apply the water for cooling purposes. Yes, and all the people yes, based on the this word this you are selected, based on the this group discussion you are selected. This I selected for a group discussion GD is clear, then appearing in interview, and in interview, and just sit in branch, sit in branch like this, sit in branch. Yes, that is. Your name is Pranav Chaudhary. Yes, sir. And can you introduce yourself? Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. You give me opportunity to introduce myself. Sir, my name is Krishna Verma. Sorry. Sir, I am Pranav Chaudhary, BTech final year student at National Fire Service College, and I have done my schooling from Sri Anandam Jaipuria Inter College, Anand Nagar, Maharajan, in 10 to 12. Then I preparing in JEE Men's and advanced not clear, but Men's is in good marks. Then through JEE Men's I selected this college, and right now I am in final year student, and I have done 2 intensive, one ONGC Mehsana and IOCL Mathura, and in during the intensive I done to project one ONGC Mehsana is a fire protection system in and different rated system and in and ICL Mathura I have done is a fire relative pump used in industrial area. And sir, also I am the runner marathon. This is not my hobbies, but I participate in All India Fire Service sport game, and also I contribute my some little bit in one senior mini project in aerosol. And this college this college I have done in group one one in aerosol. Topic is aerosol. Yes, okay, Krishna. I clear I and yes, Krishna. You clearly and set interest exam in 2025. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I clearly and set 2025. Your good marks in the 90%. Can you share with me what is the importance of answer for in your life? Yes, sir. It is a different. Sir, answer in jam is a important of a different area. First, sir, but sir, first things improve knowledge and upgrade in knowledge in because it is a central level amplitude test. And in this test in 20 marks is general science. General science is very difficult, and second is environment and fire and firefighting is one in 80 marks. In 80 marks capable to you analyze yourself. Yes. No, you not see what is the pattern. Krishna, you say wrong word. I not say that type of word you say. I say कि you say what is the importance. So upgrade your knowledge. So upgrade my knowledge. And if I done many type of in that type subject, so helpful for interview in promotion and selection. Reason sir, if I not done that type of project, then sir, you are not ask me this related question. Yes, sir. Krishna, you like in the marathon. You like a marathon, yes, yes. So why you are like in marathon? Because right now people not interested in running. But you mentioned कि you like in a running marathon. What is the relative and what is the impact in your life? Yes, sir. So little bit I just share in my sir in before in the childhood in my dream I am joining Indian Army, but my family not supported. In that reason I studied in this college and this branch. But in the childhood I started in the running, and I good running in the childhood. Then this I participated in the university level cross country and position in this 6 and completed in 44 minutes. And All India Fire Service I participated, and that also in a good position. Krishna, can you can you share me if I am selected for you, what you are done in ONGC Mehsana in this place? If I selected for you and then you post in ONGC Mehsana, what type of changes what type of changes if you selected in this in only fire in this in ONGC? First of all, sir, I posted in my post is the fire in the head and senior fire officer in ONGC Mehsana. Then first sir, I visit in ONGC Mehsana, but not in whole whole and not knowing what type of job role in this senior profession, little bit knowledge. But sir, ONGC Masana, I think this is a backlog. This is a not properly done in all the fire. Sir, first of all, I work as a fire engineer, fire officer in ONGC Masana, and just all the fire officer work in a different area and not in the fire related that type of. And then it is Pranat. Pranat, what is a, you mentioned that you member of a DRM and this safer club. First, you mentioned just this what is. So right now I have not a good knowledge, but if I have good knowledge, then explain what is it that type of. And Pranat also, Pranat, you are from Gorakhpur. You just explain in Gorakhpur in 2 and 3 term. I don't know what is Gorakhpur. You you will not here. If you I ask me you question, then you explain deeply. It is not helpful for any individual. You just want to what else. Sir, first of all, you don't know Gorakhpur. You first in UP CM Yogi Adityanath belong to Gorakhpur. Yogi Adityanath belong to Uttarakhand. Sir, Yogi Adityanath born in Uttarakhand. Born is live in Gorakhpur, and he is a 20-year MLA in Gorakhpur, and that and then processing. And what is the difference between fire tender and water tender? So, in the fire tender is a large quantity of water stored and used in case of fire. Then go and issues in fire. And water tender only stored in water. And water in a small quantity, and water is a water tender used in another area also. But fire tender used in case of fire, then because he is attached in the centrifugal pump. And the pronunciation is learn in the IS and NFPA and ISO. What is the difference between IS and NFPA and the OHTS? Sir, Indian standard is a India and using India. And what is the NFPA? National Protection Association, National Safety Protection Association. Is in the base of USA, and what is the ISO? International Standard Office in New Zealand, in Thailand. You are capable to work in the ONGC Masana? Yes, sir. I am capable to work in ONGC Masana. In my thought thinking. I'm not sure. You are good. If you that type of improve your thinking, imagination, then definitely you will be success. Why did you okay. Okay, Professor. Okay, bye. You will go. Sir, I ask me one question for you. Sir, how many rating you give me? Because then, no, I not say for you because if you selected on sir, overall interview, good or not? Good. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Yes. Thank you, sir. So that type of daily basis, I create the some scenario in a different type of company, and rule revolution different type of company ask me different type of question. Today that type of I question and that type of answer I not mention in different in another world. Okay, bye. Okay, bye.